Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data here. And as you can see, here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that I've been using it for 28 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. If you want to check some further details, you can do it by using two different ways. So you can tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us how much time we've spent on the screen in particular days. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and here you can check the stats for the particular apps. And the other way to check the details is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings. And this time again we've got the dashboard, but it is tightly connected with only this one particular app. Again, we can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. So basically this is it. This is how to check the total screen time. However, just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, which are right here, because they can be really useful if you need the time for yourself, if you need to rest, if you feel overwhelmed with some kind of notifications, etc. You can set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, so your device will be allowed to hide, for example, the notifications from particular apps of your choice in particular days and hours. So thanks to this you will be able to simply rest. Alright, so basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.